I'm gonna show you how to make a leaderboard with code.
Bruh.
Yeah, let's get to it. What you're gonna need is we need one code block for now. Get two color blocks. Of course, get a sign for the player, and we're actually gonna need two color blocks right here. I mean, you don't need two color blocks, but I just to make it way easier with the trigger. These and a trigger. Yeah. I'm gonna build a model really quick. Now I have to use my headset camera because I won't show you these blocks now. So I've set it up kinda. We already have code, but I'm gonna start it from scratch just to show you. So we'll build that up. So you're gonna need a block right here, and I named it Trig Leaderboard just so we can connect it to this. So if you want to hide this inside a block, so you're going to animate this. So you do two frames right there. Wait 1 second. Bring it down. Two more. 0. And that's good. And then start active. It's gonna do that. I'm gonna connect this trigger to the code block, and you want to make sure it's on restart program. Now we're done with this part for now. We're gonna come back to it later, but we're done with that for now. Now we need to set this up. So I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, it's just a sign right there. You can do whatever font you want. You can do whatever color you want. It doesn't matter. Just make it a sign. This is just the background, and these two I have it showing. This is I think the main color. This might be main color. These just shows the color of the player, main or detail. And we're gonna open up the code panel. I'm gonna give you a little look at the code before we remake it, and I take you step by step. So let's just take a little look, scroll through it. Let's just get a fresh new code block. Now for our connections, we want so you want to go right here, click add. We have a player, should say player right there. We're gonna click edit. So after you click edit, we're gonna put select index output, control output. We're gonna scroll all the way down, name input, color select output, and then color R input, color G input, color B input. And then you're gonna check those off. So make sure you have name, color select, color R, color G, color B, select index, and control, all checked for player. Now we need to add this sign, of course. So I'm gonna name it sign right now. And for the sign, you need sign right output, sign select output, sign control output. These are the three you need. So make sure you have sign right, sign select, and sign control checked. And these two blocks, this one, this one. So you're gonna add that. This is main color. You're gonna add that. It's detail color. So for me, I'm just gonna shorten it to PC. So for player color, all you need is color R input output, color G input output, and color B input output. So make sure you have color R, color G, and color B all checked for the main player color. So player color, I'll put M for main. And then block 2. This is player color detail. For this, it's just the same. Color R, color G, and color B all selected for player color detail. There we go. So now that we have our connections all set up with the code.
Bruh.
So for the program, this one's a higher part. This will take a bit, but just if you let me explain. we can get this correct. And then make sure this says player select index constant. So let me explain. 0 is the first person in the lobby. 1 is the second player. 2, third player. 3 is the fourth player. So 0 is the first player in the lobby, and we want that to say the first player in the lobby. Also make sure the trigger is connected to your code block. You have to have it like that, or it won't work. Now, let's go for label, player main color. That long. Just make it something that'll make you remember that is the player, the main color. So you want to set. You want 4 sets. The first set, you want player color select. This is gonna be a constant 0. 0 is player main color. 1 is player detail color. And that'll make sense in a little bit. Now, all you want to do is just player color main, player color G, player color B. You just want those right there. Set it up like that. And you want player color R, player color G, player color B. Now make sure that if this is color R, it's also color R over here. Because if this was color green, that would mix up and it just wouldn't work. So you want it to both match. We're gonna do a go to, then we're gonna have another label. This is so this will be player, but it's fine. So player detail color. This go to right here, you're gonna make it go to player detail color. And then we're kind of gonna do what we did up here. We're gonna have 4 sets. This is gonna be player color select. And we're gonna go constant, and we're gonna put 1. Make sure it's not 0.1. Just make sure it's 1 right there. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna set the player color selection to this detail color. So then that right there will be showing the player's detail color. Now, so you've already used PCM, so now you're going to use PCD. So just do what we did. Player color detail R, green, B, and player detail. This is player main. This is player detail. And then, like we did up here, you want to match player color R, player color G, player color B. You want these to match. We're gonna go to again, and then label, and then this is the sign. I'm gonna put sign player, because it's gonna write the player name on the sign. So that's the sign. In this part, it's very. So we're gonna have a set. And then we're gonna have the sign control. We're gonna do constant 1. And 1, that'll clear the sign. That'll come in handy later. So we're just gonna keep that right there. Now, players, so we're gonna want sign select constant 0, which will put the sign in ASCII. Now this is where it gets tedious. You want player control. You want player control. You want it. And then we're gonna do a constant, and we're gonna put it at 1. You want sign right to player name. Now you're gonna want to put player control constant 2. Make sure it's 2. And then these 2 sets, you're just gonna want to repeat that again. So, sign right, player name, player control, constant 2. And I'm gonna keep doing it. So once you're done with all your sets, you're gonna go sleep from 50 milliseconds. That's what I do. And then you're gonna go to player main color. Also, make sure this go-to right here is sign player name. And then, yeah, there we go. So, the code works. And there you go. For each player down the leaderboard, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select all of these, copy it, bring it down, and then this will be the next player in the leaderboard. And you're just going to want to change this, and then make it 1. 0 is the first player, 1 is the second player, and so on. And there is no second player for now. But, yeah. So you want to make sure this code block is this trigger block is connected to these code blocks.